Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. You're listening the Shure MV7 microphone which I purchased a few days ago, and now we'll see how is the sound quality. Also, I will show you the MOTIV Plus app, the companion app that comes with. Let me pull that just for the sake of today's video, just to have idea of what I'm doing, and we'll see the app, what exactly it's doing. So let's do that now. So let me pull this and let me show you the app. When you open the app, you'll see quite interesting functions. And actually, I do like the app. It's quite interesting app in my opinion. But this is the raw audio from the Shure MV7. It's a very popular microphone on the market. And if you're hearing some noise, I don't know if you do. I did it in purpose. Actually, I'm in my office slash studio kitchen. So the washing machine actually is on, and now it's doing the thing. And I did this for a couple of reasons, to see how it's gonna be the noise floor, because this is my studio slash kitchen, it's not being treated, and this is one of the reasons. So we'll see how is the noise floor with this dynamic microphone. I'm using the USB plug into my Mac, and as you can see the app is open as well. We'll do a couple of tests. Just I'm going to show you quickly some of the functions of the app, and just there's going to be quick impressions about this microphone. Quite popular microphone, Shure MV7. It's a little brother cousin of the SM7B, which is the most popular microphone on the market. Everybody knows that. So why I bought the Shure MV7? I just want to try to see if this microphone is going to be good for my workflow, and I want a proper microphone that is versatile. So this microphone is with USB, plug and play, Mac, PC, Android, or iOS. Also, it has how do you call? It has XLR port. Oh my god, just blocked for a second. So XLR. So this is a combo microphone. Also has some fancy controls on the top. But let's dive in now. Let's see the app. I don't want to waste your time. And something interesting, if you want to use the app works only with the USB. So if you plug the XLR to your interface, the app is not working. Okay, so let's now see quickly the app. So as you can see, when you open the app, it's giving you this information. It says mic setup. Shure MV7 is the mic. Also, we have auto level and manual level as well. We have the mute. So as you can see, the mute is working. So also it has a mute on the microphone as well. Also have the monitor mix. I leave it on the middle so you can see, I can see how many I can hear from the microphone or from the playback from the computer. So I leave it on the middle. Also we have 3 EQ presets. So let's check all the presets now. So I'm on the flat settings. So this is the raw non-processed audio. So let's try now the first one. So this is the high pass. Let me know what do you think. Also, I forgot to mention the microphone is on 30 dB. So this is the gain on the microphone. So probably I'm gonna boost it on post-production. So we'll see when I edit the video if needs a little bit gain. But now the microphone is on 30 dB, and this is the high pass I said. Yeah, high pass. Let's try the next one. Okay, so what do you think about this one? I don't know. I hear the sound a little bit teeny. I don't know. I think it's interesting option. Let's try the last one. Okay, so this is the last one. Not bad actually. I can hear myself. Okay, so let's reset again. Actually, I do like the flat EQ. I think works pretty good. Also, we have a limiter. So basically, if you start to do like if you're excited, if you laugh, uh, the mic will clip. So the limiter will help you not to do that. So let's test it. All right, all right, all right. How's it going, guys? Stefan is here. All right, so I think it's not clipping, so I think it works. Also, we have a compression, so let's try the compression now. So this is on off. This is with light compressions. Not bad actually. Medium compressions, not bad. I do like the medium one. Heavy compressions, yeah. This sounds pretty good. So I believe my favorite one is the medium compressions. Let's switch it off. Also, we have a live meters. So basically, the live meters is when you switch the live meters on. So when I talk to the microphone, basically it's meters. If the microphone clips, probably will blink red. But I don't know. I'll switch this off. Also, we have a night mode, which I don't know what is doing. If everybody knows, let me know in the comments down below what the night mode is. Okay, switch it off. Does any difference? Okay. I don't feel any difference. Okay, so let's try the O2 level, where the magic is happening. All right, so this is the O2 level. Pretty interesting. So we have the mic mute. I already checked that. We have the monitor mix is on half, and we have some interesting features here. So we have near. So basically, it's showing you how close you are to the microphone. So this is the near option. Also, we have some dark tone, natural, which I'm on natural tone. Also, we have the bright. The bright. Let's try. So, sorry, I'm gonna grab some water because my. All right. So, let's try the far. All right. Whoa. Okay. All right. I feel like the gain is pushed a little bit, and I feel like this is quite nice. I do like that. This is nice. This is very, very nice. My voice, it's deep, nice. So I think the far mode is very, very good in my opinion. I do like it a lot. So yeah, this is nice. So let's try the dark. All right, so this is the dark mode. It's quite muddy. I don't like it. Let's try the bright. All right, yeah, the bright is very nice as well. Okay, that's good. That's very good. So I think the natural sounds very nice. So let's do near. Okay, yeah, so now when it's near, I feel the gain is back to normal. So basically the far pushes a little bit. So yeah, this is interesting. So let's go back to manual. All right, so I'm on manual. Okay, let me know what do you think, guys. I mean, this is just quick introduction about the app. Also, at least you can have idea how is the sound quality of the Shure MV7. And my washing machine is working right now since I started the video, just to have idea how is the sound floor, just to have idea if there's any noise. We know that the dynamic microphones, they do much better with the noise. So yeah, this is the Shure MV7, which I bought a few days ago. This is not sponsored video. Doesn't come with a stand. This is a very cheap $5 stand, £5 stand, which I bought like a year ago. So I was surprised that this can stand here. The microphone is not very heavy, but okay, let me know what do you think, guys. So let me know what do you want to see next. This is the Shure MV7. I hope you like this video. I really appreciate if you support the channel, if you subscribe and like the video. This is the only way to support this channel. So let me know what you think about the Shure MV7 microphone. As always, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.